a surprise birthday and you have got the cake, the balloons, the confetti, but what about the card? Instead running to a store, let's design a personalized birthday card online. Hi, I am Ayushi. I'm a content creator and a founder, and today in this tutorial, I will take you along to how to create a beautiful birthday card online using Adobe Express. So let's get into it. First, head to Adobe Express on your desktop, and once you have logged in the search bar, type birthday card. You will see tons of ready-to-use templates, fun, minimal, floral, modern, even photo design-based one. Pick the one that fits with your vibe. Now, let's customize it step by step. First, let's add the name of the birthday person. From the left panel, click Text, choose Add a Title, type their name, and to change the color, use the color option in the same panel. You can also play around with the fonts, maybe something playful for kids or elegant for adults. Just use the font drop-down menu to experiment. You can also add a personal message to make your card feel extra special. And if you want to go for an extra mile, upload a photo. Just click Upload on the left panel, select a picture from your gallery, and once it's uploaded, you can remove the background under the Edit options to merge it well with the card. Resize or reposition wherever it looks best to you. It's time to make it fun. Click on the Elements section from the left panel and search for birthday. You will find confetti, balloons, cake, party hats, and etc. I will add some confetti on the top to give it more celebration vibe. It's time to bring it all together. Match the card to your theme, update the colors to pastel, neon, or your favorite color palette. You can also use your brand colors if you're designing it for your team, perfect for employees' birthday or work anniversary. Once your card looks perfect, hit the download button, save it as a PDF if you want to print it, or PNG or JPG if you are sending it digitally via WhatsApp, email, or Instagram. Let's take a look at the final card. A personalized birthday card ready in minutes. So whether it's for a friend, colleague, or employee's work anniversary, this definitely beats the store purchase card any day. Try Adobe Express now. The link is in the description. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel right away.